In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on your Wix website. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add the anchor. Once you're there, look toward the left side of the screen and click on the Add Elements option. Next, click on the Menu and Anchor option, and then select Anchor from the list. You'll see the anchor appear on your page right away. Drag and drop it to the exact section where you want visitors to land, such as a pricing section, contact area, or feature block. After placing it, give the anchor a clear and easy to remember name so you can identify it later without confusion. Once you've completed these steps, go to your site header and click on your menu. Select Manage Menu, then click Add Menu Item, and choose Anchor as the menu item type. After that, select the page where your anchor is located, and choose the anchor you just created under the Where on the Page option. This links your menu item directly to that section without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to link menu items to anchors on Wix easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.